Hi, this is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy with the WonderMill Company, and we're going to show you how to make one of my holiday favorites. Popcorn is a staple during the holiday season. Well, actually, at my house, it's a staple all year long. But I love making caramely, wonderful popcorn. I make big buckets of it. It just sets in the living room during the holiday season. And everyone loves to come over and just munch on popcorn. So we're going to show you one of my favorite. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the popcorn. And you can do it however you want. If you have an air popper, if you have one of these electric poppers, or one of the stovetop whirly pops, however you want to do it, pop your popcorn. With this one, we're just going to, and I always pop my popcorn with coconut oil. Coconut oil keeps it fresh longer and it tastes better. So we're going to put our coconut oil in there. We're going to put about a cup of popcorn in here. Put the lid on and let it do its thing. And then we're going to pour the popcorn in a big bowl. And then we're going to make our caramel sauce to go over the top of it. The next step after we pop the popcorn is we're going to make the caramel sauce to go over it. So I have my favorite candy pan here that I use all year long. It's a coated all-clad pan, and we're going to bring to boil Karo, butter, sugar, cream of tartar, and a little bit of salt, and we're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes or until it reaches a hardball stage. And then we're going to add vanilla and baking soda, and we're going to put the nuts in there, and then we're going to pour that over our popcorn and toss it, and then spread it out on a parchment paper, and we'll have the perfect holiday popcorn. Our caramel sauce is ready to go. We have pecans and popcorn in the bowl. Now we're going to pour this over the sauce. And I've sprayed my bowl with a non-stick spray, so it's easier to clean up and it's easier to toss the popcorn. So now we're just going to take this and another big spoon, and we're just going to toss it around in here until it coats the popcorn completely. And it's setting up nicely. You can already see how it's starting to set. Oh, it's beautiful. And notice how it's not sticking to the pan, which is great. It only took me about 300 batches to figure that trick out. Okay, now once it's properly coated, we're going to take the popcorn, and you can either do it on the counter or in a big cookie sheet with parchment paper. We're going to dump the popcorn onto the parchment paper, and then we're just going to spread it out. And we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to break it up. And while this is cooling, we're going to start another batch, and we'll break this up, and we'll fill up our popcorn bucket. So it's ready for all the hungry guests that show up at my house to snack during the holiday season. Our popcorn is done. I just want to show you a couple things I do. I have a bucket like this with a lid, and I fill it up and leave it around for the holiday season. So once it's cold, it breaks apart really easily. So I just break it apart and fill my bucket up. Now this one is made with pecans. You have the basic recipe. Let your imagination be your guide. I do pecans, pistachios, peanuts, cashews, almonds, whatever I'm in the mood for. And sometimes I even add strawberry extract, orange extract, whatever I'm in the mood for. And sometimes I like that really exotic chocolatey thing, so I'll put chocolate chips on it when it's nice and hot, or drizzle white chocolate and dark chocolate over the top of it. Let it cool, break it up and put it in the bucket, and you have a bucket of popcorn heaven.